Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a skit of the copycat bird. So let's get started. Peanut Butter got a ball for his birthday. He was kind of bad at kicking it with his feet, but he was kind of good at balancing it on it. I'm bored. I want to go get a pet because I'm usually bored and nobody hangs out with me. So I should get a pet to keep company. Let's see. Oh, who's this little fella? Oh, I love this pet, even though it's the last one. She's pink, she's my favorite color, and she looks awesome, she looks pretty. Let's get her. Okay, here's my money for my pet. New pet. Okay, come on, Birdie, we're gonna have a lot of fun at my house. We're going to have fun today and every day. So, what do you want to do first? Oh, I forgot. Birds can't talk, so I'll try it again. In a normal voice. So, what do you want to do first? I didn't know this bird can copy people what they say. I love this pet. I'm keeping them definitely. Awesome. He copied. So, what do you actually want to do first? Read a book? Okay. Here's one. Peanut butter and cupcake. Oh, we copied me. You could probably read to me. He doesn't always copy. Peanut Butter got a ball for his birthday. He was kind of bad at kicking it with his feet, but he was kind of good at balancing it on his head. Okay, I think that sign means he wants to watch TV. What do you want to watch? Okay. Do you want to watch Jessie or Austin and Ally or Peppa Pig? Okay, I'll just give him another chance. Let me ask him.